Hello everyone, I'm back again to make another video. Today I am doing a pea and ham soup. That's just a few of the peas that sort of fell out of the bag when I got them out, so I just popped them in to the soup maker. So to start with, I am adding just a tiny little bit of oil. This is olive oil. You don't have to do this. Butter is also very nice, but just kind of gives it a little bit of a smoother sort of taste. Right, then I'm going in with the chopped onions, some chopped potatoes. I've got 2 ham stock cubes. There's my peas over there. I've got some smoked paprika here, salt and pepper. This is gammon left over from dinner yesterday. This I'm putting in to start with so that it all blends with the soup because I want a smooth soup. Once it's done, I'm going to add that to it. And then a bit of milk and then some water because it's more of a creamy kind of soup. So, in with, get the onions in. With the potatoes. Right, I'm going to pop say about 1/4 teaspoon of paprika in, salt, pepper. I'm going to put the ham that I want to be chopped in first. Then I'm going to pop the 2 stock cubes in, and then the peas. So this recipe calls for around about 500 grams. This is a 900 gram bag. So I'm just going to sort of eyeball it a bit. Tiny bit more. That's probably about it. Oh, doing this all one-handed, so I do apologise if I'm all over the shop with it. I don't know if you've noticed a shortage of peas. Yeah, frozen peas. I don't know why, but there is a shortage. I haven't been able to order any on any of my sort of online shops. So went to Lidl's and they had some left, but they did have an empty space as well. So I don't know what that's all about. And then I'm going to add some milk. This is just semi-skimmed milk. And then top it up with water too. And then I'm topping it up with water just to the maximum level, which is there. There we go. Right, I'm going to get it on now. Right. Turn it on the wall. That's the noise it makes to start with. So I want a smooth soup, so I'm going to select mode, and it's already on smooth. So I literally now just press start, and it tells me it takes 21 minutes. There we go. And it will start whirly a way to sort of blend everything together. And then once it's cooked, as I say, I'll take the lid off and then just pop that gammon, the chopped gammon in, close the lid just for a couple of minutes so it warms through a little bit. But can you hear it now starting? But soup's all done, look, lovely and creamy. So I'm just popping in the rest of the gammon. Give it a stir. Whilst this is warming up, you know, sort of still staying hot, we are going to do the rolls. So I'll just pop the lid on to keep it nice and warm. That lovely colour. Little chunks of ham coming out. Look at that, the colour. So, off to enjoy our pea and ham soup.